Cadillac Motorhome is built first.
A smooth ride starts from the ground up. Lightweight, yet the body begins to take its final shape. This iconic color. This is not just an RV factory. This is where Cadillac luxury is redefined on wheels. Today, we take you inside to see how the 2027 Cadillac Motorhome is made. Designed for those who expect nothing but the best. Every detail carries the unmistakable Cadillac identity. Luxury meets power, even before the journey begins.
Every Cadillac motorhome starts as a carefully engineered concept. What if we optimize the aerodynamics right here? That reduces the drag coefficient significantly.
Yeah.
Thousands of hours go into perfecting every curve and dimension. Once the design is finalized, production begins. Precision and automation work hand in hand.
The foundation of the Cadillac Motorhome is built first.
This reinforced chassis is designed to support luxury without compromise.
Robotic welding ensures strength and precision. Each joint is crafted for long-term durability.
The scan shows a subsurface indication right here.
I see it.
Let's flag it for follow-up.
All right, moving on to the support bracing now.
A smooth ride starts from the ground up.
We're within the acceptable threshold on the Z-axis now.
Excellent. The alignment is holding steady.
Lightweight yet strong panels form the motorhome's body. The body begins to take its final shape.
Alignment confirmed. We are set.
This ensures protection in all weather conditions.
This iconic color defines the Cadillac presence.
The cockpit reflects Cadillac's automotive heritage.
That feels secure. Nice work. Yeah, the laser level was spot on.
Are the connections tight?
Yep, all set. Let's wipe it down. Slow down, watch the alignment.
Got it, coming in steady.
Okay, drop it down easy.
Let's move it slightly to the left to match the seam.
All right, how's that?
Perfect.
Look at the energy curve during the transition. It stabilized faster than expected.
Agreed. The new update seems to have corrected the latency issue.
Make sure that's secure. Okay, try the remote now.
Running the blinds down. Looks very smooth. The vibration dampening seems effective here.
Yes, the telemetry confirms the structural integrity.
Every Cadillac motorhome is thoroughly tested before delivery.
This area seems to be holding up well, but check the lower right seal again.
The meter shows a slight saturation increase right here.
This is not just a motorhome. This is Cadillac luxury on the road.
Built by experts. Crafted with precision.
Subscribe.